Drone technology has been growing rapidly over the years, and India now has a young and vibrant ecosystem that is manufacturing, developing, and providing services for a host of different industries, with a direct impact on mining, roads, railways, agriculture, healthcare, property tax, telecom, and many other such industries. Drones are going to be a revolution not just for the aviation industry, but overall for the country. Recognizing the importance of drones, the Government of India, under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has taken a series of proactive measures to propel the drone industry. Various government ministries have already started using drones for a variety of use cases to improve efficiency and reduce costs. This includes the use of drones in the Swamitva scheme, a reformative step towards establishment of clear ownership of property in rural inhabited areas by mapping of land parcels using drone technology. Taking another step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat and the Prime Minister's vision of promoting ease of doing business, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has released liberalized drone regulations, which has truly enabled Indian entrepreneurs to create cutting-edge technology for the world. To give further support to this strategically important and nascent industry, the government has now announced production-linked incentives for drones and drone components. The total amount allocated for the PLI scheme for drones and drone components is 120 crores spread across 3 years. This is nearly double the combined sales turnover of all domestic drone manufacturing as of year 2020-2021. Manufacturers of drones and drone components shall receive an incentive as high as 20% of their value addition across 3 years. Developers of drone-related software are also eligible to seek PLI. Minimum value addition norm has been fixed at 40% of the net. Eligibility norm for MSME and startups in terms of annual sales turnover has been kept as low as 2 crores for drones and 50 lakhs for drone components. For non-MSME companies in terms of annual sales and turnover has been kept at 4 crores for drones and 1 crore for drone components. PLI for a particular manufacturer is capped at 25% of the total annual outlay in order to widen the base of recipients. With the measures taken by the Government of India, the Indian drones and components manufacturing industry may see an investment of over 5,000 crores over the next 3 years. The annual sales turnover from drone manufacturing may grow to over 900 crores in financial year 2023-24 as compared to 60 crores in 2020-21 and set India to become the drone hub of the world.